Guys, umkhankaso lokhu uqhubeke njalo. We are closing the shops. Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Guys, the operation Close the Shop now continues all over South Africa. And you who is still harboring these people in your home, be very careful because the community is coming for you. Remember what the law says about harboring illegal immigrants in your home. And remember the fine of 10,000 rands if they find you with an illegal foreigner in your house. And again, don't forget that if any child being unalived by snakes from your house, you are doomed.
Wena uzushayiswe nje ungapho. Leyo ukuthi Jayike Mthethweni will be arrested. Why singaboshwa ngoba now amashop amaSomalian ayavalwa la eCentre. Bonke abantu undocumented lemutlo. It's a national thing. So le ukuthi abantu bazothreatisha abantu kuma voice note is totally wrong. Now amaphoyisa asihamba now, it's a peaceful thing. Bayavaliswa instead abawona manje yaweldelwa. So siyaphuma isitoka siye kade loop. Yebo abahambe ayahamba makula seza zonke siyahamba almalchele loop ukuthi siyadlala la.
Akusadlalwa eMzansi. Wonke umuntu makaphakame. In your area, stand up and close that shop. Everywhere, all over South Africa, these tuck shops are mushrooming everywhere in South Africa. So guys, please stand up for your area. Stand up for your community. Stand up for your province. This is our local economy. Let's not allow anyone to come and take it away from us. Stand up wherever you are and go there and close that shop. Mobilize yourselves as a community. Go there. Even if you are 5'10", just go there and close that shop. Those who are feeling sorry for them, calling us xenophobic, they must take them to their own areas. Why are they complaining? They must just take them. Not here. We don't need them anymore. Tina sonele asabadingi.
Abanye abanela mnyango bathatha izinto sibanje. Abantu abanela iminyango sibanikele. Abantu besilapha siyasanga. Abantu kumele lapha. Izinto bafake ezikhwameni abantu. Kube ne-order.
Mawengane la, mawengane.
Yinda kwenze njani?
Signora Rosa!
Roda signora, roda ma roda signora. Ai, ningamshayi bafowethu.
Khona ma-comrades sesikhona lana emapakistaneni sesikhona lezi zinto zabo azishiswe vele bazishiswe abekho nalaba se-Pine vele baqalele manje basiphumele.
Outside. So, what do you want?
The bike is outside. The bike is outside. You've been here for a very long time. Please, man, take your fix and go.
Or should we open for
Yes,
ourselves?
open here and put your fence out.
Sivale isitoro sendiya la nangu angazi noma uhoma stand uthi abavule. Uthi uma stand abavule. Now amandiya ayavula la uma stand uthi abavule. Nangu uma stand uthi akhulumeke sisi. Nangu uma stand.
Bavumelekile ukuvula baligala amaphoyisa bavumela.
Abavumela amaphoyisa. Bebevaleleni baligala. Bavumelekile ukuthi bazodayisa eSouth Africa. Bavumelekile ukuthi bazodayisa la eSouth Africa. Okay. Okay.
Umasipala uchecka every month.
Okay. Siyabonga.
Hi, this lady. Hey, uzoyisola Shem. She will regret. She will regret her actions. She will need this community very soon because these people, we know them. Siyabazi, oh my friend. As soon as beqala bemgolozela bengasafuna ukuhamba emzini wakhe, ila ayokhumbula khona ukuthi yo ngaze ngalwa ne-community yami. And kube ngasekho umuntu ozomsiza lapho. And lento yokudisrespecta i-community yakhe uyenza phambi kwabo. Ayabona nawo ukuthi akasenabani angeke aze akhalele umuntu. The day bemgolozela bengasafuna ukuhamba I wonder ukuthi uyobiza abani. Really I don't think ukuthi labo ma-stand bayabona ukuthi akusadlalwa. And uyabona ukuthi wadelelise kanjani lamazayizayi adelela i-community yakhe njengamanje. Siyoke sibona ukuthi uyosizwa ubani ngalolo suku ngoba liyeza lona. And if lo sisi ethi umasipala uyafika each and every month there usuke ezokwenzani vele? Why eza kule sitolo kuphela engayi kwezinye? Why singamboni kwezinye izitolo? So what this lady is telling us is that these people invested 5 million in that shop. No, this municipality must be investigated. So guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Akusadlalwa abahambi.